Welcome. Today, we're performing accurate pump shaft alignment to keep your equipment running smoothly.
Before alignment, we prepare all tools required for precise measurement.
First, the dial indicator is installed on the coupling for accurate alignment readings. Shims are added or removed to correct vertical misalignment. We adjust the motor horizontally to eliminate left or right offset.
We rotate the coupling to check dial readings at multiple points.
Angular misalignment is corrected by adjusting front and rear shim levels.
The final reading must fall within allowable tolerance for ideal shaft alignment.
After tightening all bolts, we recheck values to ensure alignment remains stable.
Finally, we run the pump to verify smooth vibration and perfect alignment.
We perform a soft foot check to ensure the motor sits firmly on all 4 points.